Yo! How's it going, everyone? It's Niki. We're back again with another reaction video, and oh my god! Today we're gonna be doing something new. Today we are reacting to Niki, Switchblade. Feeling blessed. Now, but for real, I've been loving 88 Rising for like a good time now. When I say a good time, like maybe like at the start of last year, end of 2018, like around that time, I've been a fan of them, and I've just been keeping up with like all their music. And I haven't reacted to Niki Switchblade yet or seen it, and I haven't seen Jackson Wang's new song. I forgot what it's called. I'm sorry. But I decided that I want to react to a few more artists that I love listening to. So like we'll react to 88 Rising artists when they release stuff. Because that's what it's about. Hey. But anyways, let's just get straight into this. I can't wait to see what this song is like. I've been seeing it trending on Twitter as well. So I mean that means it's going to be freaking banging. So yeah, let's just do this. Whoa. Nani? Oh, okay. Oh, the moon. Whoa! So the moon shot. Ooh. Phase 1. Okay, so we're going to get multiple of these. Full moon, half moon, quarter moon. From the looks of it. 3 phases. Yeah. Wow, this is a beautiful music video already. I see. She got born from the moon. Moonchild. God damn! This is a different vibe to all of her other songs. Oh, okay, well, she's beautiful as hell. But I like this. Yeah. This song, different but amazing. Whoa. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. It's such... Oh! This is sick. It just sounds so... It feels like it's a new life. Like the music, if that makes sense. I haven't heard a song like this before, so I'm loving it. The night is young and it's wild. I wanna feel like a child on the corner of a mountain and a cookie going for miles. I don't know what's coming next. I feel a buzz in my legs, but heaven knows that I'm quick on my feet and good with a blade and some more fashion fit in a place you like. God damn, I'm loving the song, loving the music video. Beautiful. Wow. Ah! No, she's falling! Just like with my Victim reaction video, when Sungwoo was falling, I just looked up thinking that he was falling down. And I'm doing it again. Wow. What a beautiful song. Love the lyrics as well. Damn! Damn! That was cool, that ending. I dig that. Nah, that was good. That was really, really good. Holy crap. Like, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, Niki's music is just fantastic. what can I say? It's just fantastic. I was legitimately feeling blessed whilst I was listening to this. It sounded like a new life. I don't know why, but it just does. And it's just a majestic sounding song to me, and I dig it a lot. I really dig this song a lot. But anyways guys, other than that, that's going to be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, show some support by leaving a like, comment down below how much you love Niki's music and this music video, and also subscribe if you guys want more 88 Rising reactions. I actually want to react to Rich Brian's Tokyo Drift, so stay tuned for that in the next few days. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a great day, just keep on smiling, and yeah, peace.